In a small, populated settlement, neighborly relations began to deteriorate due to Mr. Baker, who recently installed a heat pump to heat his house. Due to the loud operation of the heat pump, it can be heard throughout the day in the surrounding houses, with Mrs. Turner being the most affected as she is Baker's closest neighbor. Mr. Baker was unaware of how noisy the heat pump would be in actual operation when he made the purchase, as he was not informed that it could cause such noise. His new heat pump is causing quite a bit of trouble. Mrs. Turner shared with us the most uncomfortable disturbances that drastically affect the quality of her life. The noisy heat pump quickly worsened relations between Mr. Baker and Mrs. Turner. Complaints and requests to reduce the noise by installing soundproofing were not granted, as the cost of such measures would range from €2,500 to €4,000, which Mr. Baker deemed too high an expense. The noise generated by the heat pump disrupts Mrs. Turner's nighttime rest. The constant rumbling prevents her from getting quality sleep, making her feel constantly tired. The noise also affects her daily tasks, making it difficult for her to concentrate on her work, leading to a decline in her well-being. All these unfortunate events lead to unpleasant encounters and misunderstandings. The only solution to this predicament, caused by Mr. Baker in good faith, thinking he could save on the investment by choosing a cheaper offer, is to install additional soundproofing, which would increase his investment by €2,500 to €4,000. We are aware of these challenges and offer a solution that will not impact neighborly relations. Our heat pumps have been developed with silence and minimal noise in mind. By using special technology and eliminating prominent frequencies, we have reduced the noise from both the external and internal units to almost an inaudible level. Our heat pumps already come with built-in sound protection, so by purchasing them, you won't negatively affect the well-being of people in the vicinity, and you'll save on the cost of additional sound insulation for the heat pump in the long run. We also offer customers the opportunity to visit our showroom and experience the unobtrusive operation of our heat pumps for themselves. According to studies by the National Institute of Public Health, noise is one of the most harmful emissions to human health, affecting both mental and physical well-being. The issue of noise is poorly addressed, making the resolution of such cases through legal means lengthy, complex, and very expensive. When evaluating data on the noise level of heat pumps, it's important to consider the maximum sound power and not marketing-optimized data, as is often provided by suppliers. Thoughtful purchases of technological solutions and listening for oneself can prevent many problems and unforeseen hidden costs, even up to €4,000, and maintain harmony among neighbors. For a silent, high-quality, and efficient heat pump without hidden costs, visit our webpage. Don't hesitate. Get in touch with us now